What if your vacuum is secretly wasting your time and leaving dirt behind? In 2026, cordless stick vacuums are smarter, more powerful, and packed with game-changing tech. But not all are worth your money. Today, we're revealing the top 5 best cordless vacuums so you buy smart and clean smarter. Let's begin. Number 5, Shark IZ462H Vertex Cordless. The Shark IZ462H Vertex Cordless Stick Vacuum is a powerful and versatile cleaning solution designed for modern homes that demand both convenience and performance. Built with Shark's advanced DuoClean PowerFins technology, this cordless vacuum delivers deep cleaning on both carpets and hard floors, capturing fine dust, large debris, and stubborn pet hair in a single pass. Its dual brush roll system works continuously to maintain contact with surfaces, ensuring efficient pickup without the need to switch heads. One of its standout features is hypervelocity suction, which provides strong cleaning performance in a lightweight design. Despite being cordless, it offers up to 60 minutes of runtime on a full charge, making it suitable for cleaning entire homes without interruption. The removable battery adds extra flexibility, allowing users to extend cleaning time by swapping batteries if needed. The Shark IZ462H is designed with user convenience in mind. Its multi-flex wand bends to reach under low furniture and folds for compact storage, while the vacuum easily converts into a handheld unit for above-floor cleaning like stairs, upholstery, and car interiors. LED headlights on the nozzle help reveal hidden dust in dark areas, ensuring no debris is left behind. This model also features a sealed anti-allergen system with HEPA filtration, capturing dust and allergens inside the vacuum, an important benefit for households with pets or allergy sufferers. It comes with multiple attachments, including a crevice tool and pet multi-tool, enhancing its versatility for different cleaning tasks. In terms of performance, the Vertex excels on hard floors and low-pile carpets, delivering strong suction and consistent results. However, like many cordless vacuums, it may show slightly reduced efficiency on thick, high-pile carpets. Overall, the Shark IZ462H Vertex Cordless is a reliable, feature-rich vacuum that balances power, flexibility, and convenience, making it a great choice for everyday cleaning, especially in homes with mixed flooring and pets. Number 4, Tineco Pure ONE S15. The Tineco Pure ONE S15 cordless vacuum is a smart, lightweight cordless vacuum designed to deliver powerful cleaning with intelligent automation. Built for modern homes, it combines strong suction, advanced sensors, and user-friendly features to make everyday cleaning faster and more efficient. One of its standout features is Tineco's iLoop Smart Sensor technology, which automatically detects dirt levels and adjusts suction power in real time. This not only improves cleaning performance but also helps extend battery life by using power only when needed. With up to 40 minutes of runtime on a full charge, it's ideal for small to medium-sized homes. The Pure ONE S15 also features Pure Cyclone technology, which separates dust and air efficiently to maintain strong, consistent suction without clogging. This ensures long-lasting performance and reduces maintenance compared to traditional filters. Designed with convenience in mind, the vacuum includes a full-color LCD display that shows real-time cleaning data, battery life, and performance status. Some models even provide animated guidance and voice prompts, making the cleaning experience more interactive and user-friendly. For homes with pets, the anti-tangle brush design is a major advantage. It prevents hair from wrapping around the roller, reducing the need for manual cleaning. Combined with strong suction power, the vacuum performs well on both hard floors and carpets, effectively picking up fine dust, debris, and pet hair. The vacuum is also highly versatile. It easily converts into a handheld unit for cleaning furniture, stairs, and car interiors. It comes with multiple attachments like a crevice tool and mini power brush, allowing users to tackle a wide range of cleaning tasks with ease. Additionally, the 5-stage filtration system captures up to 99.9% of fine dust and allergens, making it a great option for allergy sufferers and households that prioritize clean air. Overall, the Tineco Pure ONE S15 stands out as a feature-rich, smart cordless vacuum that balances power, innovation, and convenience, making it an excellent choice for tech-savvy users and pet owners looking for efficient everyday cleaning. Number 3, LG CordZero A9 Kompressor. The LG CordZero A9 Kompressor is a premium, feature-packed cordless vacuum designed for users who want maximum power, long runtime, and advanced cleaning technology. It stands out in the high-end category thanks to its unique dust compression system, dual batteries, and optional vacuum plus mop functionality. One of its biggest advantages is compressor technology, which compresses dust and hair inside the bin. This allows the vacuum to hold up to 2.4 times more dirt, meaning fewer trips to empty it, especially useful for homes with pets. Performance-wise, the A9 Kompressor is powered by LG's smart inverter motor and axial turbo cyclone system, delivering strong, consistent suction across different floor types. It performs exceptionally well on hard floors and carpets, removing up to 96 to 99% of debris in tests, though it may struggle slightly with very large debris. A major highlight is its dual battery system, giving you up to 120 minutes of total runtime, far more than most cordless vacuums. You can charge one battery while using the other, making it ideal for large homes or deep cleaning sessions. The vacuum is also extremely versatile. It can be used as a stick vacuum for floors, a handheld vacuum for furniture and cars, a vacuum plus mop combo on select models, allowing you to clean and mop simultaneously. The included freestanding charging station is another standout feature. Unlike wall-mounted docks, it stores accessories, charges both batteries, and keeps everything organized in one place. For hygiene, it features a multi-stage filtration system that traps fine dust and allergens, along with washable filters and components, reducing maintenance costs over time. Pros: powerful suction with consistent performance, unique dust compression, less emptying, dual batteries, long runtime, optional mopping function, freestanding charging/storage dock. Cons: slightly heavier and less balanced than competitors. Premium price range. Can struggle with very large debris. The LG CordZero A9 Kompressor is a high-end, all-in-one cleaning system. If you want long battery life, smart features, and the ability to vacuum plus mop in one go, this is one of the best choices in 2026, especially for large homes and pet owners. Number 2, Samsung Bespoke Jet AI. Samsung Bespoke Jet AI Cordless Vacuum. The Samsung Bespoke Jet AI is one of the most advanced cordless vacuums in 2026, designed for users who want a fully automated, smart cleaning experience combined with powerful performance and premium design. It stands out mainly for its AI-driven cleaning, self-emptying system, and long runtime. One of its biggest innovations is AI Cleaning Mode, which automatically detects floor types and adjusts suction power, brush speed, and efficiency in real time. This helps optimize cleaning while saving battery, making it more intelligent than traditional cordless vacuums. In terms of performance, the vacuum is powered by Samsung's Hexajet motor, delivering up to 280 W of suction power, making it one of the strongest cordless options available. It performs exceptionally well on both carpets and hard floors, handling dust, debris, and pet hair with ease. A standout feature is the all-in-one clean station, which automatically empties the dustbin into a sealed bag. This not only reduces manual effort but also minimizes dust exposure, perfect for allergy sufferers and pet owners. Battery life is another strong point. The Bespoke Jet AI offers up to 100 minutes of runtime with a removable battery, and many packages include a second battery for extended cleaning sessions. The vacuum also includes Wi-Fi connectivity and SmartThings integration, allowing users to monitor cleaning performance, receive maintenance alerts, and customize settings through a mobile app. Pros: AI-powered automatic suction adjustment. Strong suction, up to 280 W. Self-emptying clean station, hands-free. Long runtime with dual battery support. Smart app connectivity. AI mode may not always feel necessary in real use. Uses disposable dust bags, ongoing cost. The Samsung Bespoke Jet AI is a luxury, smart cordless vacuum built for convenience and innovation. If you want a hands-free, tech-driven cleaning system with powerful performance and minimal maintenance, this is one of the best choices in the premium segment, especially for modern smart homes. Number 1, Dyson Gen 5 Detect Absolute. Dyson Gen 5 Detect Absolute. The Dyson Gen 5 Detect Absolute is Dyson's flagship cordless vacuum in 2026, built for users who want maximum suction power, advanced tech, and deep clean performance. It's widely considered one of the most powerful cordless vacuums available today. Performance and power. At the core is Dyson's Gen 5 hyperdymium motor, spinning up to 135,000 revolutions per minute and delivering up to 280 airwatts of suction, strong enough to rival many corded vacuums. This makes it exceptional for deep carpet cleaning, pet hair removal, fine dust and debris pickup, smart cleaning technology. One of its most unique features is the fluffy optic cleaner head, which uses a green laser to reveal invisible dust on hard floors, something most vacuums miss. It also includes real-time LCD screen, shows dust levels and performance, automatic power adjustment based on debris, built-in crevice and dusting tool, no attachment swapping needed, battery and runtime. The Gen 5 Detect offers up to 70 minutes of runtime, making it suitable for full home cleaning sessions. It also supports swappable batteries for extended use. Filtration and hygiene. It features whole machine HEPA filtration, capturing up to 99.9% of microscopic particles, including allergens and fine dust. Perfect for allergy sufferers, homes with pets, dust-sensitive environments. Design and usability. Weight, 7.7 lbs, solid but slightly heavy. Converts into handheld mode. Includes multiple tools, motor bar head, hair screw tool, combo tool. Wall-mounted dock for charging and storage. Pros. Extremely powerful suction, best in class. Laser dust detection, unique feature. HEPA filtration for cleaner air. Long runtime, up to 70 minutes. Built-in tools for convenience. Cons. Expensive, premium category. Slightly heavy for long use. Small dustbin compared to some rivals. The Dyson Gen 5 Detect Absolute is a top-tier, premium cordless vacuum. If you want the strongest cleaning performance plus cutting-edge technology, this is one of the best choices in 2026, especially for deep cleaning, pet hair, and dust-sensitive homes.